what do we typically do as our first step when solving multiplication? We're going to estimate. Sometimes we even estimate more than once so we can get a floor and a ceiling. Did you have time to estimate?
Yes.
What'd you come up with?
27 times 20. And I also had 30 times 20. And then 25 times 25.
Wow, you really worked hard at that. Okay, so look at these, everybody. We've got two floors here. Which one do you think might be the better of the two?
30 times 20.
Okay, we'll find out, won't we? Add your partial products to find the actual product of 27 times 24. 625 turned out to be probably the closest. You're going to have an opportunity to create your own multiplication problems. You may use a variety of strategies and models to help you multiply. When you're finished, we want you to trade your paper with your partner. And the purpose of that is you will check each other's work.
Double 80 minus.
You have to remember that you have a 10 up there.
What did you do? What? Double?
And then a double. See, what you could just do the over. I got it. It's going to be different. I can't watch it if you have like.
I need you to stop, look, and listen, please. Tomorrow is your multiplication checkpoint. Nothing to freak out about, but it'll be an opportunity for you to see how successful you are. And if there are any little glitches, you'll know what glitches you need to pay attention to tweak. Okay? All right, put your materials away and you are dismissed. Thank you very much.